breakaway into the pinwheel. As it's on that vertical spot, you're going to want to hit the yo-yo through this hole. Alright, now that you're through here, you got this kind of mount right here. What you're going to do is you're going to mount the yo-yo on that string as it comes up and around. Alright, now from here, boingy boing in this knot formation, stall it out on the right side. So, stall it out on the right side. From this boingy boing, as you're stalling, you want to miss towards the inside. Stall it out. And as you're stalling it, you want to flip this whole formation up and over like that. And as it pendulums back in, there you have your GT. I usually just roll it out towards yourself, towards your body. And that's that first step. So all together it looks like that. From this position, you just go ahead and you throw an overwhip into a trapeze. The trick with this is you're gonna want to pull the slack to the left, and that'll give you more momentum on your string. So if the string's on the left to start, you can kind of throw it a lot easier. Alright, now that we're in here, in trapeze, you want to pop into this undermount. Okay, so as you hit here, you want to grab all these 3 strings and turn this hand upwards. You're going to let the yo-yo drop through the hole. Once it's in the hole, you'll be in this mount. And basically what this mount is you have this slack coming over the top of your wrist like that. Now what you're going to want to do, pop the yo-yo up, grab this string with your thumb. And you will be in this mount right here. This is the next part, is the hardest part. You're going to want to move your hand to the side, undercut all these strings, and then from here you're going to be able to drop straight into the triangle. Now when I do the drop, I usually throw her up and a dab too at the same time. Probably the hardest part of this trick. I'll do it one more time. Undermount, throw through the hole, pull with your thumb on that string, go sideways, try and hold it all together so you can go ahead and reveal with the dab. So we're gonna drop the thumb and this ring finger, and that'll drop us into the triangle. Alright, from here I like to pop this out, go back into my pinwheel, and then instead of hitting that negative space like we did before, we're just going to mount underneath, right here. We're going to pinch all the 3 strings together, weave on the inside, weave on the outside, and then roll this over. And we have our twist there. Roll one more time, and now we're in triangle formation. Pop out towards yourself. Come up, stall it, under wrap it. So now we have this mount right here. Roll towards the inside, roll towards the outside. Right? Now we're gonna hit this top string up on top. Roll towards the inside, roll towards the outside. Then we're gonna roll over this finger onto that string. And now we're in that reverse triangle. The next part, I got the clap. Yeah, it's just what it's called. We're gonna do a non-stalling cradle for all your rope darters. Non-stalling cradle by doing a 1.5. When you come up for your double or nothing, you're gonna grab this segment of string coming through and get into this mount. It's also, I believe, the yo-yo term for this mount is the gunslinger mount. So we want to get that mount set up, and instead of landing on in the triangle formation, you're just gonna go straight around, boom, underneath, cut right here, and you're gonna want to hold this right here. Now use this string to segment, land, and you're gonna drop everything except for the thumb. And right now, this is in a green triangle, but the formation, the yo-yo's holding the formation together. So once you give it slack, it will drop into the triangle formation. And you do that by putting your hands close together, like that. I usually give it a little clap. And that's gonna pop out towards the outside. So for the last part, one more time. Alright. Camera's good. Last part one more time. Your non-stalling cradle. So from this cradle mount, we can go over the formation, land, trap this, pop it in the other direction, and then as you're coming up, it's gonna land on this string, right like that. Drop everything except for your free thumb, and you'll be in this formation, which then drops straight to the triangle. Pop it out on the outside and bind that bitch up. Let's go.